Well, before I get to trimming the apple trees, we'll show a little bit of bee activity here. Unfortunately, these 3 hives here died. I believe this one here is doing okay. Yep, bees are coming out. It's gotten around 50 degrees. They'll come out. Actually, they had to go out, go to the bathroom, go back in. They wait till it gets warm out to do that. That's probably what they're pretty much doing. And there'll be another day we'll be in there to show you the whole thing, but this is to keep them a little extra warmer. I guess those are no dead bees down there, but they're just out doing their thing and coming back in. They might do a little house cleaning, take out some of the dead bees. You see there's dead bees down here. They just keep pulling them out. And they should start creating what's called brood this time of year. They know spring is coming, the days are getting longer, and they'll start working on preparing their hive for the queen to start laying eggs. Alright, so we're gonna, fortunately these hives are dead, but I want to get these off of here so I can save them for other years. These are a little bit costly, but we'll get these guys out of here. A bee actually flew out of here. That's kind of interesting. There's bees inside of here. This thing's supposed to be dead. Is it possible they're in here getting food? See right there? Let's take a look at a couple things here. Oh yeah, look at this. Isn't that sad? They just didn't make it. Honey. I guess you're gonna just grab them food. They can have it. They deserve it. They survived the winter. Anyways, I'll just take this here. This is coming off here. Okay. Put this back on here. Since they're kind of enjoying it, we almost tend to put it on top of that. But we have some food in there for them. So we have more hives coming, more packages of bees, 2 more coming. We'll go back down to 3 hives. Hopefully this one here makes it over there. All right. Yeah, they're all dead in there. Just like it just, that was it. All dead bees. Last year we lost 6 hives. Can be mites, you know, that's usually what it is. It's a big problem. Didn't have this years ago, they say.